This is the demonstration of the Parrot MKi9200 hands-free car kit. It has a control unit which can be placed anywhere, which is radio controlled, so doesn't need any wires. It's got the mount where the display screen sits, that has to be wired in, so that has to go somewhere where you can actually get a wire to it. To do it on this car I had to take all this dash out so I could get to all the wiring and stuff. You also have another wire which has got a socket for a USB, so you can play all your music from there, and also a socket for your iPhone, so you can charge your iPhone while you're driving if you need to charge it. That can go virtually anywhere in the glove box there where I've got it, or where the handbrake if you've got a glove box there. You've got the screen which is in a pouch, so you can put it away out of sight so nobody breaks into your car to pinch it, and then that slots onto the actual mount. Now I leave that on, but you can take it off or put it away. Another thing, while I'm just on the subject, I put some velcro on the dash and I put velcro on my phone, and that just sticks the phone there. Now you don't have to have the phone there, it can go in your pocket, but I just have it there if I need it. Everything's done from the remote control and voice activated as well. So first of all, you turn the ignition on. It's paired up to the phone, so when you turn it on, it pairs up with your phone automatically. The radio is playing, as you can hear. That's the Parrot booting up now, and then you'll see it connect to my phone, and then the round wiggly thing at the top is synchronising my phone book with hands-free, which is done now, so that's paired up to the phone. So whatever name you're saying now which is in your phone book, it recognises and phones them for you. So you've got different settings. You press the button on that,
phone book,
and it comes up with different settings.
Telephone, SD card, Bluetooth audio, line in, Bluetooth audio.
Cancel out of that. Like I say, you've got the radio, and if you press the button bit, that's playing music which is on the USB. That's the next song, and the next song. And it also says the name of the song that you're playing. Right, so let's make a phone call. So all you need to do to start a phone call is press the green button.
Who do you want to call?
Rachel.
Do you want to call Rachel Parry?
Yes.
Home, work, mobile?
Mobile. That's the microphone,
Rachel
by the way.
Parry, mobile call in progress.
That's coming through the speakers as well. It also muted the music, if you noticed.
Hello?
Hello, just testing this Parrot MKi9200, so just wondering whether you can phone us back.
Yeah, okay.
Okie dokie.
Alright, bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Now as you see, it hangs up itself automatically and the radio comes back on, or the USB, whichever's playing. So just wanted to do a call.
Incoming call from Rachel Parry. Say accept or reject.
Accept. Hello.
Hiya.
Hello, that's come through loud and clear.
Are you actually on it, yeah?
Yeah, I'm talking through the Parrot now.
Alright, sounds like you're on the phone.
No, well, it's clear as a bell, I think. And I can turn you up and down.
Yeah.
Turn it louder and quieter. Okie dokie.
Alright, see you in a bit.
Thank you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.
And there we go, back to the music. So that's how it works. Quite easy to install if you know what you're doing. If you don't, then it's just like a bunch of spaghetti. Alright, bye for now.